The pros and cons of different hair removal methods for transgender women. As a transgender woman, hair removal can be a complex and ongoing process. From the face to the chest, legs, and even the genitals, finding the right hair removal method can make a huge difference in terms of comfort and confidence. In this video, we will discuss the pros and cons of different hair removal methods, including shaving, depilatory creams, waxing, sugaring, electrolysis, at-home IPL hair removal, and professional laser hair removal. Shaving is one of the most common hair removal methods and is also the most affordable. It's easy to do and can be done at home. The cons of shaving include the risk of irritation and the need to do it often as hair grows back quickly. Depilatory creams are another affordable option that can be done at home. They work by dissolving the hair at the surface of the skin. The cons of depilatory creams include a strong odor and the potential for irritation, especially if left on for too long. Waxing is a popular hair removal method that can last for several weeks. It's usually done by a professional and can be painful. It can also be expensive. Sugaring is like waxing, but it uses a paste made from sugar, lemon juice, and water. It is less painful than waxing and can be done at home. It's also considered to be gentler on the skin. However, it can be messier than other hair removal methods and may not be as effective for coarse hair. At-home IPL hair removal devices use intense pulsed light to destroy the hair follicle. It's considered a permanent hair removal method and can be done at home. However, it can take multiple sessions to achieve the desired results and may not be as effective on darker skin tones. Professional laser hair removal uses a laser to destroy the hair follicle. It's considered a permanent hair removal method and can be done on any part of the body. However, it can be expensive and may require multiple sessions. At KetchBeauty, we offer an at-home IPL hair removal device that can help you achieve long-lasting and effective hair removal results in the privacy of your own home. With our device, you can save money and time compared to professional treatments and enjoy the convenience of hair removal on your own schedule. Our device is also gentle on the skin and safe for use on all skin tones. Don't let unwanted hair hold you back from your authentic self. With the right hair removal method, you can achieve smooth, hairless skin and feel confident in your own skin. At KetchBeauty, we're here to help you do just that. Visit KetchBeauty.com to learn more about our at-home IPL hair removal device and all our other hair removal products. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks on hair removal and transitioning. Good luck!